When it comes to powerful, underrated superfruits, key lime deserves serious attention. Smaller than regular limes but far more concentrated, key limes pack a sharp, aromatic punch and a surprising range of health benefits. Let's get straight into what matters. First, key limes are loaded with vitamin C, one of the most essential nutrients for your immune system. Just a small amount helps your body fight off infections, reduce the severity of colds, and speed up recovery time. Vitamin C also plays a major role in collagen production, which means healthier skin, stronger joints, and slower visible aging. Speaking of skin, key limes contain powerful antioxidants like flavonoids. These compounds help neutralize free radicals, the unstable molecules that damage your cells and accelerate aging. Regular consumption may support clearer skin, reduce inflammation, and even help prevent premature wrinkles. Another major benefit is digestion. Key lime juice stimulates digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food more efficiently. This can reduce bloating, improve nutrient absorption, and support a healthier gut overall. Many people even use lime water as a natural digestive tonic first thing in the morning. Key limes also support heart health. Their flavonoids have been linked to reduced inflammation in blood vessels and improved circulation. Combined with vitamin C, they may help lower the risk of high blood pressure and support overall cardiovascular function. If you're focused on weight management, key limes can help there too. They're low in calories but high in flavor, making them a great way to enhance meals without adding sugar or fat. Plus, the citric acid may give your metabolism a subtle boost and help your body process food more efficiently. Another underrated benefit is kidney health. The citric acid in key limes can help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume and reducing stone formation. It's a simple, natural way to support your kidneys, especially when paired with proper hydration. Key limes also have antibacterial properties. Compounds found in lime juice can help fight harmful bacteria, which is why lime has traditionally been used in natural remedies and even food preservation. And here's something many people overlook. Key limes can help improve iron absorption. If you eat plant-based foods rich in iron, adding lime juice can significantly boost how much iron your body actually absorbs. That's especially important for maintaining energy levels and preventing fatigue. Now for a quick bonus. If you want a simple daily health upgrade, try this. Squeeze fresh key lime juice into warm water and drink it in the morning. This can help kickstart digestion, hydrate your body, and give you an early dose of vitamin C. For an added boost, combine it with a pinch of sea salt or a little honey. Bottom line, key limes are small, but they deliver big benefits. From immune support and skin health to digestion and heart protection, adding them to your routine is one of the easiest upgrades you can make to your overall wellness.